Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. Now this video is particularly about having anti-aging nighttime routine. Now when I say anti-aging, people generally think that it is for people above the age of 35 or 30 or something like that, but that's not true. When I say anti-aging, it means people who have symptoms of aging. Sometimes people in their 50s also don't have much symptoms of aging, and sometimes even in their late 20s they might have some symptoms. So that's what this video is going to be about. I am specifically talking about having fine lines, having wrinkles, having hyperpigmentation, dry skin, mature skin, things like that. So if you are facing that kind of problem, this video is going to be just right for you, no matter what your age is. Okay, and I would like to mention here that if you are looking for a skincare routine, it doesn't particularly have to be of a particular age category. It should rather be of the problems that you face. So if you have blackheads, you should have some skincare which takes care of that. If you have acne, you should have skincare that takes care of that. If you have anti-aging, things like that. That's how it should work. Okay, so this video is particularly about anti-aging. I am in my late 20s. I don't have too many signs of aging at this point, but I do have fine lines. I have hyperpigmentation around my lips, and also my skin is getting dry. I belong to an oily skin family, but now as I am aging, I am trying, my skin is actually going towards a little dry side. Okay, it's combination right now. It's not completely dry, but it's combination right now. But I hope you understand what I mean. So yeah, if you are that person, if you think this video will help you, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. Things first, we are going to get rid of all the jewelry that I have. This is a nighttime routine, so it's going to be quite elaborate, and I am not elaborating it just for the sake of the video. This is what I follow on daily basis. Whatever I'm going to show here, whatever products I'm going to show here, I follow them on daily basis, right? So you don't have to think that it's just the video that I'm showing. And many people out there ask me about my skincare routine and how I manage to keep my skin healthy, after putting so much of makeup. So this is going to be answer for that. Now when all that jewelry is out of the way and my hair are also out of the way, we should start with double cleansing. Obviously, no skincare routine, whether it's anti-aging or whether it's general skincare routine or any skincare routine, it cannot be complete without double cleansing. When you are saying skincare, your pores and your skin needs to be free of all the products that are there, and it needs to be clean so that all the skincare that you put on top of it is actually getting, is actually depositing and going into the layers of your skin, and your skin is getting all the benefits. So yeah, I am using this makeup removing balm. This is by Dot & Key. I really like it. It actually gets rid of all the makeup. It doesn't pull out oil from my skin. It doesn't compromise with my skin barrier. So that's an important thing, especially with anti-aging. You don't want your skin to get dry, or for it to get rid of its natural oils. So I think at this point, using a balm is really a good option instead of any micellar water or anything like that, because those things actually make your skin dry. When you cleanse with them, your skin does feel dry and little irritated. So if we don't want that, we should be using a balm. And whatever I do on my face, I always do it on my neck, whether it's my skincare, whether it's my makeup or makeup removal. And now I'm using this beauty sponge. This is really soft on your skin. This is one by Earth Rhythm. It actually doesn't scratch your skin, doesn't irritate your skin, and works really well in taking off all the product out of your skin. So this one is really nice. It's very affordable also. I think somewhere around 300 something, and I bought 2 of these. So It's very easy, it's eco-friendly, so why not, right? That is my base out of the way, and now I'm going to take some more of this balm. I'm going to again rub it between my fingers to warm it up. It melts immediately, right? You see, it melts so quickly. And now I'm going to go over my eyebrows, eyes, and just get rid of all that mascara. Oh shit, I had lashes and I forgot. You see how comfortable these lashes are? I'll link them down below, but they're so comfortable that you don't even feel like they are there. Now you see I've got rid of all the makeup from my face, but you should never think that this is the step for your cleansing and you're done with cleansing. Please go ahead and do double cleansing, especially when you are doing anti or rather any kind of skincare routine. It is important that you do double cleansing, because that there should be no product in your pores, no product, whether it is a cleansing balm, whether it is a cleansing oil or anything for that matter. There should be no product in your pores. So it's important that you cleanse it well with a gentle cleanser. So before that, I'm going to start with this rose water. This is Kama Ayurveda rose water, and I'm going to spray it all over my face really well. Oh my god, it smells divine. And now when that's there, I'm using this Cetaphil gentle cleanser. This is how I like. You can use normal water, and you can start with that, wet your face with normal water and then go with the cleanser. But I like doing it with rose water, and where I'm going to nicely make sure that everything on my face is nice and clean. This gentle massage at this point is very important, because it makes sure that the blood rushes to your face and you have good blood circulation. Now I am using this gentle cleanser. You can use any one that you use, but make sure whatever cleanser you're using, again, that should not strip off the oils from your skin, because that means you are compromising with your skin barrier, which would never be good for you. So yeah, and this gentle massage, keep sure that this is gentle. You don't have to go harsh, because that will just show negative impact instead of positive. So yeah. Now I'll rinse this off and I'll be right back. And that's my face dripping wet. I cleansed it thoroughly. I've got rid of everything and it feels very, very, very clean. And I was talking about cleansers. I would like to mention that whatever cleanser you are using, if that hydrates your skin, it's perfect for you. But when you wash your face and you come out and you feel your skin to be little irritated or it feels little dry, change that immediately. That cleanser is not doing any good for you. In fact, it's harming your skin. So it's important you change it then and there. This Cetaphil one that I am using, I've been using this for years now and I love it. It has worked so well with my acne. It has worked so well with my sensitive skin. My skin is extremely sensitive. It doesn't tolerate any damn thing. But this Cetaphil one has been working really well for me. Now let's move to the next step. That's a toner. I am using this Kaya Skin this daily pore minimizing toner. This is alcohol free, so that's good. And also this toner has witch hazelnut and niacinamide. This is how I like to do with my toner. I nicely spread it all over my hands and then go over my face. Now you can also use a cotton pad, but I like doing it like this. Now since it has niacinamide, it helps in evening out your skin tone, and witch hazelnut, so it is going to brighten your skin and also at the same time even it out. So if you have hyperpigmentation or you have large pores, this toner is amazing. Like this whatever products I'm going to show in this skincare routine, they are definitely the ones that I use on daily basis. I use these products and keep buying them again and again. This is my fourth or fifth bottle of this toner, because you know it has helped me so much with my pores. Like, it has definitely made sure that my pores stay clean, and they're not as visible or as big, because if you don't take care of your skin, your pores are going to increase in size, they're going to get clogged, due to which you'll get acne and a lot of other things which you don't want. So this toner has helped me with that. And now when that's nicely absorbed into my skin, you can already see it feels nice, right? Yeah. And also, when you are doing this step, don't drag it, please don't do that. Nicely push it into your skin. Just pat it evenly all over. Next step I'm going to do is serum. Now I have quite a few serums which I keep changing between according to my skin problems. Now I have this vitamin C serum by Dot & Key. This is for this region of my face. When I was having a lot of acne marks, I was facing a lot of acne issues in my jawline. That was my hormonal acne. But yeah, I was facing that, and this has helped me reduce them quite a lot. I've used half the bottle. You can't see it on camera, but I've used more than half the bottle of this. I keep switching between these serums in the days of the week. I don't keep, I don't stick to one, because there are multiple issues that I want to cater, and one kind of serum won't work for me. Next, I also use this minimalist retinoid one. This is retinoid 2%. I use this every third day of the week. I come back to this one because your face doesn't need more than that. Since it is anti-aging and I'm in my early 20s, I don't need it much, but I still want to give it to my skin, so I keep going back to this. And next comes this Estee Lauder Night Repair, Advanced Night Repair. This is my favorite one, which I go back to very, very often. I'm almost done with this bottle as well. You can already see. Yeah. So I take a few drops of it on my fingers and apply it under my eyes. This is really, really nice. It makes sure that whatever moisturizer you are applying on your face is absorbed into your skin really well. And this is one serum that I go back to whenever I can't decide which one I want to go to, because as I told you, every third day I apply the retinoid one, and twice in a week I use the vitamin C one, and the rest of the days I use this Advanced Night Repair, and it's well absorbed into the skin. Let's move to the next step. I'm going to use this Face Shop moisturizer. It is the Collagen Pomegranate Volume Lifting Emulsion. I still don't go for thick moisturizers, because as I said, my skin is from oily skin family. Right now it's in combination state, but it's still, those heavy moisturizers are still heavy for my skin, so I go and stick to these emulsions. And I am going to use this Nykaa anti-aging oil. This is from the facial range of Nykaa, and I'm using the anti-aging variant of it. I'm going to add a few drops of it in my moisturizer. Nicely mix them well, and then start from the most dehydrated region of my face, that's my nose and under my eyes. Now here, layering is the key. When you say anti-aging, any amount of hydration or any amount of moisturization is just going to make sure that your skin is healthy and plump. If you see, the one emulsion I'm using is the one with collagen, again anti-aging, because after a certain age your skin slows down the process of producing collagen, which is responsible for the elasticity of your skin. So that's the reason your skin starts having wrinkles and all those things when your skin is not able to produce as much collagen. So we are applying it externally and then giving a very very gentle massage to your face. You might, when you're massaging your face, make sure you're giving a very very gentle massage to it. You don't want to drag or pull your skin. That's not going to give any benefits, rather it would harm your skin. So gentle lifting massage, and whatever massage you are doing, go in upwards motion because you want to lift your face. Don't drag it down, go in upwards motion. That would help in lifting up your face. Take this 2 minutes to massage your face every night. And now when I am done with that, I have provided nice amount of moisturization to my face, but I also want to give hydration, and I am going to use this Dot & Key skin plumping emulsion. This is water based, so it really hydrates your skin. The time when I started using this cream, you can already see it's finished, and this is my third bottle. Since the time I started using this cream, this particular one, my skin definitely feels a lot more plump and hydrated when you wake up in the morning. It says as mask, but I feel if I do a little bit of massage with this one, like I don't apply it just like a layer on my skin and be done with that, because that's what we do with the mask. But for this one, I just make sure it penetrates into my skin, and again whatever I'm applying on my face, I'm applying on my neck as well. So gentle rub over my face of this product. And with that, I'm going to proceed to the final step, and that is going to be a lip balm. I use this one from the Body Shop. It's vitamin E. It consists of vitamin E and 8 gram oil. That really moisturizes my lips well, and it keeps them moisturized even if I use liquid lipsticks or any kind of lipstick. There are some lipstick formulas that are really drying, but if I use this one, it keeps it moisturized. Now again, a very gentle massage because your lips deserve it. And guys, that's my anti-aging skincare routine. Now before winding up this video, I would like to summarize the whole thing into few points. First thing is always double cleanse. Second, use a toner. Third, layering is the key here. The more you layer, the better it is going to be. If your skin can bear heavy moisturizers, go ahead with that. You can either mix your oil with the moisturizer, or you can apply your moisturizer, layer it with an oil, layer it with a hydrating cream. Just layering is the key. The more you moisturize, the better it is going to be, the plumper your skin is going to be, and the less signs of aging it will show. Next thing is, when you are doing your skincare, give your face a nice 2-minute gentle massage. Don't pull or drag your skin, just give it very 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 gentle massage. That way the blood will rush to your face and your skin will rejuvenate. Next and fifth and most important point is that you make sure whatever skincare you are following is for your skin problems. Don't follow me just because you like my skin, just because it is glowing, just because it is healthy, it looks healthy, doesn't necessarily mean that what I am using is going to work for you. Please be wise and understand your skin issues and work accordingly. I can definitely tell you the steps you should follow, but the products that you have to use has to cater your face problems. So these are 5 important tips. And now nighttime routine, I have made it so elaborate because it's night, you are going to sleep, so something really heavy on your face would also be okay. because you're just going to sleep. You're not going out in dust or pollution that would stick to your face and would make it, you know, would result in acne. Nothing like that is going to happen. So having an elaborate nighttime routine is also important. Make sure you fill all the important issues that your skin has. Please don't be lazy. Go ahead and follow a skincare regime. I know sometimes it can be tiring, but we do everything else after coming home. We do eat our food. We do, you know, cleaning and everything else. So why not a routine? Why not a skincare routine? Because that's the outermost layer that is going to, you know, that is how people understand. If your skin is nice and healthy, people do like you. If your skin is dull and dry, no matter how much makeup you put on it, it's never going to look nice. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, because that means a lot to me. Subscribe will not cost you anything, but it would help me a lot. It would help my video reach more people. So please engage with the videos, comment below, like the video, share it if you think there is people around you who would like. Yeah, until then, take care.